I flip the door because I know he gets kind of excited.
Well, and it's 2 doors, so
Okay,
it's a challenge.
That's no big deal. So, but do you see what I'm getting right here?
Yeah.
Just a little more mild manner thing, and
Yeah.
I'm not yelling at him or doing anything like that. Okay.
He's not done. He's really, he's kind of refreshing.
It's not about smarts, it's just about sharing the right stuff with him.
Oh, okay.
I am not a DP, so this is not going to be beautiful.
So once again, dogs don't pull us through. And if he makes a little sound, don't worry about it. It doesn't mean that he's in pain or anything like that. Most likely it'll be because he's just kind of amped up about the walk, and so it's like something touching him and that kind of reaction. Walk.
Well, he's really wimpy. They have to sedate him for everything.
So I'm going to start off real easy with him. Let him get used to the collar a little bit. What I'm going to do is I keep the leash really short, but not tight. And as soon as he starts to move out of like kind of the golden zone where I want him, I just give him a little pop. But you can see how subtle it is. It's not a whole lot of stuff.
I should have videotaped him yesterday trying to hold him back.
Yeah, we should have done it before and after.
Yeah.
The halter. Because he usually pull pretty
Very
The whole
strong.
time.
considerably.
Until he gets tired.
It's,
and
yeah,
he'll
then
out,
he
but
relaxes.
can really go a long time until he gets tired.
Without it, you're really at a disadvantage. So, where's like some action around this this neighborhood? Here's
Well, here's a dog up here, a fluffy. That's
Okay,
That's
so-
what's his name?
Okay. That's not the one we had the incident with, is it?
Oh, no, not that.
Okay.
No, that's
What?
Schemer. What's that called? It's Jen. It's one of our friends.
So I'm just gonna gauge.
Yeah.
Gauge the reaction.
The dog will bark too. It's perfect.
It's radar.
Yeah,
He's a
he'll.
little nippy dog.
Yeah. Well, so is this other dog. This other dog is going crazy. He's like, I'll show you.
So the reason I'm kind of just
And the
taking lead
incident
right
was
here
over.
Oh my God.
is I'm just trying to get him in the zone. Let's go.
See, he stops. He's really a stopper.
No. So this, I want him to work through all this protesting stuff. Let's go. That's the same stuff that's at the base of the dog.
She knows about what happened. Look, she's getting radar. Don't worry, we're with the dog trainer. She's gonna lift radar.
Don't worry about it.
No, she.
So you guys are fine. I'm just gonna work with him a little bit. Okay. So what's important out of all this is that we can stay calm and cool and get what we want. And what we want is no reaction. We're not going to let you get crazy. You guys stay here. Walk. That's her command, by the way.
Yeah.
Just for the video.
Yeah, it is.
Thanks, Jen.
Thanks, Dan.
Making my dog look like that.
Sit. So when he does that, I put a little bit of pressure on the leash and just kind of like I'm fishing, and just let him kind of do his monkey business. And as soon as he relaxes, then I relax the leash. But I don't want to relax the leash and let him just do his thing. I want to let him know that I'm still controlling him, even though he's kind of giving me a little bit of a fit, a little bit of a tantrum. So I'll walk him around one more time. But you see that he's like got it in him to be like pretty on man about it. Walk. Come on, buddy. Don't be good stuff. Just let him take in these dogs, you know. Now correct that. Now for that, I correct like, right? So he's aiming this way, so give him the pop the opposite direction. See that it turned his whole demeanor around, right? So we're telling him look us in the eyes.
For so long.
There you go. That looking up at you is a nice thing. He's doing it again. There you go. Right. So now he's learning. My old habit was every time I saw a dog, I got all worked up and excited. My new habit is that I just chill out and relax, and I don't go come this way. Awesome. Okay. So we don't need to like thread the needle, but we can walk towards a little bit, and then we can cross out in the street or something like that if you're comfortable with it. But I really want him walking right next to you. Yeah. So we don't use tension to do that. It's just little pops. Just like little like reminders like that. Yeah, it's kind of quick and sharp, not elbow, but it's yeah. So let's do that here. Just move right here. Yeah, but I don't want you to walk the street. Go. There you go. Let me step out. See? You're teaching him to ignore dogs rather than to hyper-focus, right? So by having his rear end face towards whatever the target is, you can very easily control his head with a little pop and stay relaxed without the eye contact going on. Without the eye contact going on, dogs don't have an opportunity to escalate. The more they're like this, the more things go like that. So you turn him around, give him enough space to where he can stay relaxed, and you can have a successful interaction / encounter. There's dogs everywhere.